We reviewed massages before on the channel, and this one is a little different because it has a curve to the handle. So let's go ahead and check it out. Time to slide it out. All right, you guys, you get a nice golden box with it. Wish it was real gold, but you know, it is what it is. Open the box. As soon as you open the box, there in front of your face is the carrying bag right there. All right, you could carry it with you to the gym and all that good stuff. You have the user's manual right here. Then you have all of the attachments right here. Looks very nice. It's a decent size right here. All right. Now, if you want to know the actual size, let me show you. All right. So you got about 8 inches. So from here to here, 8 inches. I'm holding the power, and yeah, we have power, you guys. You got to hold the power button down for like 5 seconds. They also give you USB to USB Type-C. You get your standard ball. Have this one. Never seen this before, but it's like a suction. Not really a suction, but it collapses. So this would probably be good if you're doing it at a faster rate. All right, now you have this silver one. It has a USB to it. So this must be the heated one. You have this one right here. Never seen an attachment like this one before. They give you a bullet, and then you have your pick or fork. For the heated part, you have a power indicator right here. So this is a power button. Let me hold that down. All right, so when you hold the power button down, it comes on right here. Now let's go ahead and hook it up to here. And this is just push in and pull out. Nice. Oh, I feel the warmth. All right, so about to start it. This is level 1. Going to level 2. 3. Woo! 4. Back to level 1. This thing is very powerful, you guys. It's very powerful. I think level 1 will be good for you. This is more powerful than the ones I have upstairs. All right, you guys, so this is 60 dB, which means that it's not kicking out a lot of noise, okay? Some of these massagers, they are loud, okay? This is actually quiet. If you on level 1, you good. 2, you good. It's quiet. All right. 44-watt motor, 2000 milliamp battery. This is how you plug it in right there. All right, you guys, and the heating element on here is not that hot. It does say it goes to 100 degrees Fahrenheit, but it's more like a warm feel, okay? So it's not like hot where you're gonna burn yourself. Level 1 is 1500 RPM, level 2 is 1800 RPM, level 3 is 2100 RPM, and level 4 is 2500 RPM. And as y'all seen, this thing kicks out really fast. You got different angles to hold this, right? If you want to just go on top of your leg, you don't want to be like this. If you want to hold it like this, then you can hold it while you get the top of your leg. I want to just test out this one because this one is new to me. All right, so again, it's like squishy, okay? I just want to test that out. So we're gonna take this one off. Let's try this one. Again, a lot of cushion. Hold the power button. Oh yeah, that's more comfortable. Oh yeah. See, it's not hard. So this is good. That's level 2. 3. All right, so I don't need that much power. I will definitely be on 1. Level 1 is perfect, you guys. Well, for me, if you're a person that like deep tissue massages, like people really digging in, I don't like that type of massage. Okay, it just regular massage, you guys. And that will be it. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section, and I'll get back to y'all as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.